let's create one more and let me show you. So again, let's create a star. This time, using the control key, we will make it small, just like this. Okay, and this time let's make it 8 maybe. What do you think? And now this time we will make it an 8-sided star, and using the control key we will limit the size, so like this. Make its fill none and select all the anchor points and make it rounded. All are rounded? Yup, all are rounded. Yup. Okay. Now select it, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F. So it will kind of help you also to revise, right? Okay, so let me reduce the size using Alt Shift. Remember, again press Ctrl C, Ctrl F and reduce it just like this. This time we will try using a different color. Okay, so first of all, make sure that all of its fill is none. Yup, that's fine. Now we will provide a radial gradient to the outermost one. Let's provide a radial gradient and let's add a color stop here. Now you may ask that why we need to add a color stop, right? Let's delete this one and let's try to change its color. See, just click on this one and see, you can change the K value. I mean, you can change its brightness, the darkness, and using the swatches panel you can change. But what I do is that I create a color stop here, I delete the one, and from here I can control the RGB. Well, let's select a very light pink. Well, this time not pink, let's make it blue. Yup, okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so we will make it very light kind of blue, say like this one. Now select this one, again select a radial gradient, this time make it this color and let's change it to something darker like this. And this one again a radial gradient, this one will be white, pure white, oops, pure white and this one will be, yeah, just like this. This one will be here and this one will be, say, here. Let's make it even more darker. Yeah, let's see. It will be fun, right? So now select all of these and let's go to object, blend options. It's 300 steps, that's fine. Now press Ctrl Alt B and see. Now select all of these, go to effect, distort and transform, pucker and bloat, let's make it 30%. Hit the preview option. It's looking nice, right? Click on OK. Now again, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag, and let's make it 26 pixel, and regions per segment, let's make it 15. Smooth, preview. Oh, see? Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's press Ctrl C, copy, and let's paste it here. And let's place it between these two. What do you think? Let's cut this gradient window. So select this one, drag it here, select this one, let's place it here, and select this one, let's place it here. I mean, I'm just arranging just to make it look nice, nothing in the tutorial. The tutorial is over. So I think that you got the idea, right, that how we can draw flower and also cool flower. And another thing that I should tell you, we were changing the corner points to that rounded corner, right? Now one thing which you can do is, let's come here, let's Control Z everything. Now undo pucker bloat, undo make blend. One thing which you can do is, using the direct selection tool, select the corner points, I mean these points, and you can make it more curvy. See, just like this. And then you can apply pucker and bloat. I mean, then you can apply the blend stuff. So by this you can control the roundness of your petals, right? Well, you don't have to do it in all the flowers, just the uppermost or the biggest flower. I mean, apply it on one flower and then just copy and shrink it. That's it. Okay, so this is the logic. Yes, friend. So, yep. This is looking really nice, right? Okay, guys. So I hope that you have learned really cool stuff. So here I'm concluding this project. If you have any query, please feel free to ask. And that's it. See you in the next project. Till then, have fun. Take care.